Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm going to try to answer a question that Manuel Perez asked about this Kaito KA29 radio. It's a neat little radio, which my camera won't keep it in focus, but more often than not, you can get this thing in Chinese mode or some other language you can't read. And I don't believe, I'm looking around it right now, I don't believe there is any master reset button. So what you have to do is you have to figure out which set of keys to press, even though you're reading Chinese, to get it back to the language you want. Now, I'm not going to set this to Chinese. I'm going to have it still in English, but then you can still see the keys that I push to get to the language to change it to English. So here we go. I'm going to turn it on. And of course, I'm going to struggle with keeping this display in focus and so that you can read it. So there the radio's on an AM. And the first thing you push is from the radio mode is the exit button. So that takes you to the selection of what you want to do. And this icon over here that looks like a hammer and a wrench is the tool icon. That's the one you want. So you use the plus button right here to move over to that. See, I'm on music, then I'm on the text reader, and then I'm tools. Then you press menu again, and you see various options. Now the third one down is language. Now in Chinese you can't read this. Okay, it timed out, so I got to do it again. Menu, and then I press the plus or minus keys again to move. So I move down 3 to the third item, which is language. I press menu, and then you can see at the top one is Chinese. Another Chinese, Japanese, Korean, English. So how many key presses was that? Let's go back. And you go back to menu. Okay, language. So you get to language, you press menu, and then you go down. Oops, I went backwards there. Menu. Ah, okay, there we go. Chinese. So press 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll be English. You press menu, and it should set it to English. That should work for you. Now, hopefully it does. If it doesn't, let me know, Manuel, and we'll try another video. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.